it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations. I am so excited because today, September 5th, is the holiday catalog launch, and I am so excited because we are going to go through a little tour, a little showcase, a little walkthrough of this fantastic catalog, and I'm going to do a sample for y'all. I'm so excited. We're gonna see if I can work it out. I don't know that I have all the supplies to do it, but we'll just see what happens and get creative, and that's what it's all about. It's like spontaneity, you know? For those of you that don't have a copy of the catalog yet, I just posted live on my website a copy, a PDF copy. So go to melissascreations.com. You can also go to MKre8tions.com. It takes you to the same place. Click on the catalogs link either at the top bar or on the sidebar, and on that page you'll be able to download a PDF copy of the holiday catalog so you can flip through it and mark all your favorite things. Okay, enough rambling. Let's get to the catalog. I'm so excited. Open it up. Okay, so of course, page 1, boom, there we are. We've got these lovely spreads in here with Shelly's message on the front. I just love reading these. These are so kind of inspiring and just fun to kind of know more about the family. Hi, Teresa. Thank you for joining. So down here we have the Christmas Traditions punch box. Comes with this beautiful tin right here, and you get these super cute tag stamps along with a punch, so you can create tags for your Christmas packages. How awesome is that? We're just gonna flip through here real quick. Like I said, you can download a copy of this catalog on my website, melissascreations.com. Click on the catalogs link and you will be able to download a PDF copy if you don't have a copy of your own yet. Here is the All Is Bright suite. Really, really cute. Can we just talk about these words? Can we just talk about those words? And these framelits, oh my goodness. So this is a bundle opportunity. We have the Merry Christmas to All stamp set up here that includes 28 stamps. Now this only comes in photopolymer. However, there are also some coordinating Thinlits dies. When you bundle these products, you save 10% as opposed to purchasing them separately. So when you're going through and you see suites featured like this, those are bundled products. So make sure that you pay attention to that and you order the bundle number down here. That will save you some money for sure. Very cute embossing folder. Love, love, love this stuff. Moving along, Making Christmas Bright bundle continued. So this is for the stamp set with the bulb builder punch. So this punch is a light bulb, and here is the stamp set down here. So again, that's a bundle opportunity. So make sure that you are looking for these style boxes to show you where you can save money. This is a really awesome tool if you're not familiar with the You Can Make It items throughout the catalogs. These tell you exactly what you're going to need to make the items featured on that page. So if you love these designs and they're so cute, how could you not? But if you wanted to make these for your Christmas cards this year, you can follow this right here and it will tell you all the supplies that you need to create those cards. And if you need help, that is why I'm here. I am here to be your creative coach. So let me know if you need help planning your Christmas cards, what items that you need to buy. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Of course, if you don't have a big shot, that is like #1 on the wish list for any crafter that doesn't have one. It's an amazing tool. Look at this beautiful garland that you can create with it. I am really excited about these dashing deer. Again, here's a bundle opportunity. So in love. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be on my wish list. I think I'm gonna try placing an order tomorrow, maybe Friday. And that for sure, I'm pretty sure, for sure, it's gonna be on my list. We have this beautiful baubles here. Again, bundle opportunity. Here is the Alpine Adventure. There are so many bundles in here. I'm pretty sure almost every single thing has a bundle, because how can you not get the coordinating sets? They're just awesome. This is so cute with the beautiful truck and the house. Oh, I just love this to pieces. We have these here, Joy and Noel, Illuminated Christmas, more Stampin' blend options for us, Happiness and Cheer, beautiful things. This is fun, cross-stitched Christmas. How cute would that be to stamp a little circle and put it inside of a hoop, an embroidery hoop? That would be super cute. Bring on the presents, fun pillow box thing right here, love it. What else do we have? Santa's Workshop, so cute. These little Santas, can we just talk about those for a second? They are very, very cute. Little elf, Mrs. Claus, all the good stuff there. Let's see, here's another You Can Make It, so be sure again to check those out. Here's a Memories and More card pack. These are great for making cards. Check those out if you haven't already. Super fun candy cane builder punch that bundles with the candy cane season stamp set. We have a beautiful poinsettia stamp. Great joy here with big, beautiful baubles and stockings that you can color in. This is perfect for coloring in with the Stampin' blends or with our Stampin' Right markers. We have So Santa, we've got him at the beach, delivering presents on a scooter, baking fresh muffins and cookies, very cute. More tags, along with the Christmas tags, Thinlits dies, bundle opportunity. These are fun because they kind of look like cookies, like sugar cookies. Gorgeous stamp sets here, Angels on Earth, His Light. This is Winter Woods, beautiful set. I have this set. I recommend it so hard to anybody that loves trees. It coordinates beautifully with the other tree stamp sets that Stampin' Up! Has. The old classic Lovely as a Tree, which is right here, coordinates really nice with that, as well as the Rooted in Nature set, new in this year's annual catalog. So all of these were kind of designed to coordinate together. So you can use these trees year round. This is not just a Christmas set or a holiday set. So be sure that you put that on your list. It is so awesome. Here is that sample that I made earlier. I did case this from this catalog, and I am so excited I can show these side by side now. Let me show you. So there are quite a few differences between mine and theirs. The largest difference, 2 of them, they used glimmer paper for their snow behind here. I didn't, because I didn't know if it was glimmer paper or vellum. So I went ahead and used vellum, but I'm gonna do this again with glimmer paper. And then Softly Falling here, I didn't have that. I should have it now. In fact, I thought I had a delivery coming, but I don't know what day it's supposed to deliver. Maybe it came today. I didn't have Softly Falling, so I used the Sparkle embossing folder. I'm pretty sure that's what that is there. So I'm definitely gonna remake that card with some other supplies, and I can't wait to do that. All right, Joyous Noel, beautiful designer series paper here. And I don't know for sure. Okay, they're reindeer. I thought for a second that those were little llamas on this paper, but I'm pretty sure that they're reindeer. So cute. Oh yeah, here's a better picture here. Looks like there might be some copper. Yes, there is copper foil in this, ladies and gentlemen. That is super cute. Bundle opportunity here, lots of fun. Oh my gosh. I saw this on a tag. Oh, I saw this getting made in a video that Stampin' Up! Has released on their YouTube channel. So cute, really fun, really adorable. So we're about halfway through the catalog. Yeah, a little bit more than halfway. And I am planning on doing a sample at the end of this video. So stay tuned if you know, think, oh, I don't know if I want to keep watching. You're gonna want to keep watching because we're gonna make something up. I don't have an idea yet, but we'll see what happens. Okay, Feathers and Frost, super cute with the birds. Look at that house. Just look at it. It reminds me of my parents' house. It's so cute. And this fun little stove. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's that Take Your Pick tool. If you haven't checked that out yet, it's pretty amazing. So I have shown it in a couple of videos already. And see how it has this putty that you can pick up sequins with? That is super handy. So you don't have to like try and get at it with your fingers or use tweezers or something. You can just use that tool right there. All right, here is a fun kit, Sincerely Santa project kit. So it has everything you need. Stamps are sold separately in this specific kit. Everything else that you need to create all of these beautiful tags here. And it comes in a fun tin. We have the Timeless Tidings project kit. So same idea, but it has all these beautiful poinsettias and traditional looking items on it. I'm running out of breath, so there's just so many fun things. Wishing You Well, again, here's that Make It section where you can find out what projects they use. This is so pretty. I love these colors. I'm a huge fan of purple and green together, so whenever I see that, I just like, oh, I have to have it. Again, bundle opportunity for that. Those are, yes. I'm pretty sure this is on my list also, because can we just take a moment to drink in these samples, because they're just they're just pretty. Buffalo check. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is super popular right now. Hey Pam, thanks for joining. Buffalo check, super popular. We've got some beautiful shimmer paints. Oh my goodness, so excited to play with those. I used to have the silver or the frost white, I can't remember. Not sure what happened to it, so that's a bummer, but I'm probably definitely gonna get some more. Cute little Santa, or Santas, spirited snowmen, very adorable. I love this beautiful blizzard, and it comes with this fun Thinlit die. Look at this Thinlit die right here. So with our new embossing pad for the Big Shot, you can actually use this to emboss. Now, if you don't use it to emboss and you use it to cut, I'm not exactly sure. It looks like it cuts out these shapes. So I'm pretty sure you can use it to cut out shapes like this, or you can use it to emboss like this one here. I know it might be difficult to see, but you can definitely check out on my site, melissascreations.com, click on catalogs. You can go and download the catalog and check that out for yourself. So again, that is a beautiful set. Cambridge Carols, very cute. I love this scene here. Flourish Filigree, very fun. We have Night Owl Thinlits dies, super cute. Bundle opportunity there. Country Lane. Now this is a really cool stamp set. I wouldn't necessarily say this is my style. However, I like it. I think it's adorable, and I know a lot of people that would love it. One thing that I saw someone do, another demonstrator in a video, she took Q-tips and took the cotton off to put onto these little cotton stamps here. And I just thought that that was so brilliant to be able to give more depth and texture to the card, to actually put cotton on there. It was like mind-blowing how she did that. It was just so cool. And check this out. Chicken wire elements. Oh my gosh. Die cut foil sheets. So cute. So cute. Here's another You Can Make It page with this beautiful Pleasant Pheasants. This is so pretty, especially for the Thanksgiving season. Love it. And if I could color, boy oh boy, let me tell you what. We've got the Falling for Leaves right here. Super fun. I love it. Bundle opportunity. Leaves are just, you know, they're great. I love this too. I saw Stampin' Up! Do this in a video. Again, it's on their YouTube channel. Very cute to see that come together. Means so much. Many blessings. This is a $1 million sales achiever stamp set. So what that means is when a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator achieves $1 million in sales, Stampin' Up! Collaborates with them on a stamp set. And this was collaborated or inspired by Ruth Snyder. So that is beautiful. Very nice. I like that. Making Every Day Bright with these fun light bulbs. This also coordinates with the Christmas Bulb Builder Punch. So that is super awesome. And look, you don't have to use this just for light bulbs. They have included Easter, and Valentine's Day and like just feathers. You can use this for so many other occasions. I mean, look at that. That doesn't look like Christmas at all. It's a thank you card with feathers on it. And there's Easter and, you know, just a fun day, you know? So cute. Here is the Toil and Trouble Suite. Really cute for Halloween. I love this paper. I saw somebody do a Princess Frog card with the frog paper in this set, and it was so adorable. Again, here is a bundle opportunity and lots of fun little accents to add to this suite. These spider trinkets. Now, spiders kind of wig me out, but they are really cute. So just FYI. Baker's box. Those are fun for cupcakes, cookies, hand pies, lots of different goodies that you might want to give away to special people on this fun holiday. Takeout treats. This is super fun because it makes this takeout box over here so cute. Party animal. These are adorable. Trick or treat. Spooky Sweets coordinates with the Spooky Bats Punch, so that is pretty awesome. And you can see here, these two items also coordinate with the Twinkle Builder Punch that's in the annual catalog. So I love how Stampin' Up! Coordinates things across the board. It makes it so convenient. And here we are, host, join, all that good stuff. If you're interested in either one of those items, let me know. As a customer of mine or as a demonstrator in my team, all of you are granted access to my VIP Stamp Lounge, where this video is currently being filmed live. And I feature sneak peeks. I do lots of live videos for you guys, especially recently. And it's just a fun community, and I'm so glad that those of you that are here are a part of it. And I would be more than happy to invite other people to join in if they become my customer or join my team. Here is another just for hosts. We have Warm Hearted and Hung with Care. If you're interested in one of these sets and you're not sure how to get it, let me know. I'd be happy to talk to you about that opportunity. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm really out of breath right now. We went through that catalog like boom.